Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone port and iOS version so you choose the right reader. Insert the SD into the reader, then plug the reader into the iPhone. This is why compatibility matters. Once done, open the Files app. Make sure to grant any accessory permissions. You're initiating a direct connection, so handle the card carefully, avoid adapters that need external power, and keep an eye on transfer speed expectations. With the reader connected, open Files or Photos to see the SD card as a drive. You'll tap to preview, then select multiple items for import. Use Move or Copy to place files in on my iPhone or iCloud drive. If a file won't open, use a converter app. This is why checking formats first saves time. Once transferred, verify file integrity by opening samples, and then eject the reader from the Files app to prevent corruption. To finish, use the eject icon in Files and wait briefly before unplugging. That prevents corruption. If the card isn't recognized, try a different reader or another device to isolate hardware versus card issues. Make sure iOS is updated and reboot the iPhone if mounts fail. Updates often fix accessory bugs. If you must reformat the card, back it up first. Remember, swapping cables, ports, and simple restarts resolve most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.